point regarding him taking the stand. You know, it's our job to make an evaluation of the state of Ohio's case in chief. And clearly, based on the evidence that had been presented, under his former lawyer, Bobby was allowed to lead them to the police, lead the authorities to the body, okay? That's something that I think he indicated he wanted to get off his conscience anyway, but we had to deal with that. We had to deal with the fact that Maisha Farrell testified that there was an altercation, even though she wasn't quite clear about what had occurred. And then we had to deal with Mr. Mitchell's statement as well. So there had to be a determination made under those circumstances whether or not a jury would come out of that believing that some accident occurred or maybe Mr. Cutts not involved. I believe it was clearly proper for Mr. Cutts to take the stand, and he wanted to. And he wanted to let people know what happened. And we clearly believe that an instruction for a form of manslaughter would have been appropriate.
I mean, I know that every lawyer has a different strategy. And we certainly aren't going to comment on what other people say about our performance. But ultimately, we knew that Bobby needed to take the stand. The judge did not give the instructions that we asked for on voluntary and involuntary manslaughter. We believe those were appropriate. We will address that with the appellate court, but we do not believe legally that we were entitled to get those instructions without Mr. Cutts' testimony, and it was a decision that we all made, and that we all stand behind it, and we believe that ultimately that issue will be resolved by an appellate court in our favor.